preview.
Friends, I'm Parikshet from Club unsa. I won a gold medal in my school race.
School race? Okay, so we will be drawing a gold medal today.
I won gold medal and the trophy.
Okay, so let's start. We'll be needing, as always, a black sketch pen.
I'm
We're using Sharpies.
And some cousins are drawing.
So the gold medals are always round.
First, starting with the medal.
Yes.
What are you doing? Wait, Papa. Papa, see?
Done.
Is mine okay?
Yes.
What did you make?
Let's quickly color it now. The golden color. Okay.
No, why did you not make it shine?
Okay, you made it shine? It's okay. Give a high five. Okay. So did you enjoy the drawing?
If you love the series, do like us from our channel to see more of amazing videos.
Okay, then have a good day. And parents?
So friends, if you do not like and subscribe my channel, if you are doing a race, you will not win a medal.
Oh, okay. So we are done.
Bye bye.